Hi, I'm Glisdy Villanueva, a Bachelor of Science in Social Work graduate from Central Philippine University. As a social work graduate, I've come to understand that social work for me has always been about people, listening to their stories, understanding where are they coming from, and responding with empathy, dignity, and respect. Throughout my college journey, I developed stronger communication skills, learned to think more critically, and gained experience working with people from different backgrounds. I value cooperation, adaptability, and continuous learning, especially in spaces where service and compassion are essential. I was also a former varsity swimmer, an experience that taught me discipline, perseverance, and resilience, particularly during moments of challenge and uncertainty. These lessons continue to guide how I approach both personal and professional responsibilities. Now that I have graduated, I am eager to further develop my skills, gain real world experience, and contribute meaningfully to a community or organization that genuinely cares about people. Thank you for taking the time to listen, and I look forward to being part of purposeful and impactful work moving forward.